Hi viewers, welcome to all the students who are watching these videos. In this video, I explain you the limits and continuity MCET problems. This is video number 6. The next question, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos cube x by x sin 2x. Okay, very easy question. Just applying the direct formula. From the limits and continuity, 60 to 70% of the sums based on the L-Hospital rule and formula based problems. So, when we know the L-Hospital rule and formulas, then easily we can attempt the all questions from the limits and continuity. Okay, very easy question. Here directly we get the answer by applying the formula. Now what is the formula? So see here, this is in the form of, already I explained all these formulas in the first video, in the introduction video. What is the formula? This is in the form of 1 minus cos power n ax by g1 of cx into g2 of dx. What are g1 of cx and g2 of dx here? These are the functions, either sine functions or tan functions or x function. Okay, in this place we have to take the values either sine functions or tan functions or only x functions. Now what is the answer to this formula? N a square by 2 into c into d. So this is the answer. Very easy, just applying the formula. Therefore what is the answer to the given question? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos cube x by x into sin 2x. What is n value? When we compare these two, then n is equal to 3. N into a square. X quotient is equal to 1 here. 3 into 1 square by 2 into CD. X quotient is equal to 1. X quotient is equal to 2. So the answer is equal to 3 by 4. That is the third option. That's all. Very easy question. Directly applying the formula. Okay. Next question. Limit x tends to 1. 1 minus x into tan of pi x by 2. 1 minus x into tan of pi x by 2. Okay. So first we take that x is equal to 1, substitution directly in the given question. Then what we get? 1 minus 1, that is 0, into x is equal to 1 means it becomes tan pi by 2, and tan pi by 2 value is equals to infinity. So this is 0 into infinity means indeterminate form. So directly when we take x is equal to 1 directly in the given question, then we get the indeterminate form. So we don't take the x is equal to 1 directly in the given question. So we can change the quotient. So this is equals to, so in the next step I change the quotient as limit x tends to 1, 1 minus x pi. So tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. That is tan pi by 2 into x is equal to 1 by cot pi by 2 into x. Now replacing that x is equal to 1 in this quotient, then what we get? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Cot pi by 2 is equal to 0. So it returns the value 0 by 0, which is also indeterminate form. But here we use the L-Hospital rule to find the answer to this question. Okay. When we get the form 0 by 0, then we apply the L-Hospital rule to find the answer to that question. Now what is L-Hospital rule? L-Hospital rule means just doing the derivatives to the numerator and denominator. Okay. Limit x tends to 1. 1 minus x. What is derivative? 1 derivative 0 minus x derivative minus 1. Cot x. What is cot x derivative? Minus cosecant square x. That is minus cosecant square pi by 2 into x. But what is x here? X is equal to pi x by 2. Again pi x by 2 derivative is equal to pi by 2. Now replacing that x is equal to 1. That is minus 1 by minus cosecant square pi by 2. Cosecant square pi by 2 is equal to 1. Minus 1 into pi by 2. So answer is equal to 2 by pi. That's all. This is the last option. That's all. Very easy question. Just applying the L-Hospital rule to get the required answer. Next question. Limit x tends to pi by 6, 3 sin x minus root 3 cos x by 6x minus pi. Okay, now directly replacing the x is equal to pi by 6 first in the given question. That is, then what we get? 3 into sin pi by 6, sin 30. Sin 30 value is equals to 1 by 2 minus root 3 into cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 value is equal to root 3 by 2 by 6 into pi by 6 minus pi. Now what we get? This is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 0. This is pi minus pi, that is 0. That is, here we get the form 0 by 0. So when we get the form 0 by 0, then we prefer the formula L'Hospital rule. So applying the L'Hospital rule. What is L'Hospital rule? Just doing the derivatives of the numerator and denominator. So this is limit x tends to pi by 6. 3 sin x. What is 3 sin x derivative? 3 cos x minus root 3 into root 3 cos x. Cos x derivative minus sin x, minus of minus plus sin x by 6x derivative 6 minus pi derivative 0. Now replacing x is equal to pi by 6. 3 into cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6, cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 plus root 3 into sin pi by 6. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 by 6. Now 3 root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 plus root 3, that is 4 root 3. 3 root 3 plus root 3. 4 root 3 by 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Now it is cancelled by 3 times. Root 3 by 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. That's all. And this is the second option. Now the next question, very easy question. Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x. So direct formula. Now what is the formula for log of 1 plus x by x? Limit x tends to 0. This value is equal to 1. This is the direct IP formula. Limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. Now applying that formula here. Now the given question becomes here. First we take the logarithm and applying the limit inside of this value. And writing the limit value inside of the logarithm. That is log of limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x. Okay. And this is equals to log 1. Since this total value is equal to 1, direct formula. And what is log 1? Log 1 is equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer and this is the first option.